this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to fix Roblox error code 403 authentication failed. Roblox error code 403, also known as authentication failed, can be caused by a few things. Now here are some steps you can try to fix it. Check if Roblox itself is experiencing an outage. Websites like Down Detector can tell you if this is the case. If the servers are down, you'll have to wait for them to be fixed. And a simple restart of your computer and router can sometimes resolve temporary glitches that might be causing the authentication failure. Now let's look at the account and login. Try logging out of your Roblox account entirely, then log back in. This can refresh your connection. Double check that you're entering the correct username and password. And if you have two-factor authentication enabled on your Roblox account, make sure you're entering the correct code when prompted. Network and connection settings. Now, if you're using a VPN or proxy server, try temporarily disabling it to see if it resolves the issue. Some Roblox features might be restricted when using these tools. In rare cases, your firewall might be blocking Roblox. You can temporarily disable your firewall to see if it fixes the error. Remember to re-enable it afterwards for security reasons. Now let's look at some advanced troubleshooting. Built-up cache and data on the Roblox app can sometimes lead to login issues. The specific steps to clear this will depend on your device. For example, let's say you're using PC, Mac, or mobile, so you can search for these instructions online specific to your device. If none of the above work, consider reinstalling the Roblox app. This will ensure a clean installation and hopefully fix any underlying issue. But let's say you've tried all these steps and you're still facing any issues, you can go ahead and contact the Roblox support and they might be able to help you out. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.